Assalamualaikum and a very good day. My name is Siti Aisyah Binti from PEEC 2236E1. Today I'm presenting on my research on the influence of palm oil fuel ash or POFA on the strength and crack resistance of the reinforced concrete beam. This presentation has been divided into 6 parts, which are introduction and background, problem statement, research objective, research activities and relevance to the civil engineering, and also the last one is the conclusion. For the first part, which is introduction, concrete is the most widely used construction material, but the production of the cement releases a large amount of carbon dioxide. As a Malaysian is a major palm oil producer, POFA is a waste product from the industry can be used to partially replace cement in the concrete. This supports sustainability goals and reduce environmental impacts. My study will be explore POFA effects on the structural behavior on reinforced concrete beam, especially in terms of cracking and also durability. This research has been expressed in 3 main problems, which the first one is inconsistent crack resistance in POFA concrete. Second is high CO2 emission from cement production, and the third is a variability POFA in performance due to finance and also processing. To solve this problem, I found out 3 objectives that link to problem included. The first one is to evaluate flexural and crack behavior of the beams with 15 to 20% of POFA, and the second to assess the carbon reduction while maintaining the compressive strength, and the third one is to determine how POFA finance if affects the workability and also the early strengths of the beams. I have conducted a literature review using the source such as Binti 2023 and Al-Subari at 2022, which is confirm POFAs and benefits and challenges. I have developed structural hypotheses and also designed the experimental step, including the using of 10%, 15% and 20% POFA mix along with the control beams by referring to the article. The article also mentioned on the test workability, compressive strength and crack with under the loading. These early activities help shape a clear path towards the understanding POFA, structural impact and environmental value. This research is highly relevant to the civil engineering as it contributes to the developing greener and more efficient material. It supports sustainable development goals like SDG 9 and SDG 12 by promoting responsible construction and eco-friendly innovation in infrastructure. The findings can guide engineers and policymakers in using palm oil waste more effectively. This research is highly relevant to the civil engineering as it contributes to. And the last link to the conclusion, POFA have been fulfilled the objective to help reduce cement use and CO2 while keeping the concrete to become strong. And in the future, POFA has the potential to become a mainstream material in the next generation as an eco-friendly construction. That's all from me. And the last link to the conclusion, POFA have been fulfilled the